Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to recover deleted chats on Instagram. First, open Instagram app on your phone. This works for both Android and iPhone. Now, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, then tap the three horizontal lines at the top right. Next, select your activity from the menu. Scroll all the way down and tap on Download Your Information. Now tap on Download or Transfer Information. Choose the account that you want to get the info from. Then follow the on-screen steps. In here, you can customize what you want to download. And after that, tap Create Files to send the request. And then Instagram will now start processing your request. And once it's ready, you'll get an email with a download link. After getting the email, go back to Instagram, head to the Download Your Information section again, and you'll see your file available to download. Tap on it and follow the steps. The file will download as a zip file. Tap on it to extract. Once it's unzipped, open the folder. Scroll down and open Instagram activity, then tap on Messages. And then here you'll find all your messages, including deleted chats. Just tap on the chat that you want to view. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.